we will go to my websites. Here you can see our WordPress SEO gig is present. We click it and process will be start. Select language. I select English. Here we need to our database name we already created in previous video, username, password, database host, all we need to. Let's start. You can name it, provide the database name. Here is our database name, SEO gigs, SEO gigs, and username, username is MAMP, password, database host local. You can set is table prefix if you require. Submit. It may be some wrong information, we need to check it again. We can change password again, maybe some yes, it's done. Run the installation. That's our database is set up. We can SEO gigs. We set username. You can set any password. You can also add email here. Install. Now username and password is created. You can log in. Thanks for watching.